If you're over 60 and waking up at 2 a.m., eyes wide open, you're not just a light sleeper. You may be running low on the exact nutrients, hormones, and neurological signals your brain needs to stay asleep. And if you're sipping a healthy glass of water before bed, that one habit could be sabotaging your deep sleep, hurting your heart, your memory, even accelerating cognitive decline. A massive study from Harvard found seniors with disrupted sleep cycles were 33% more likely to develop dementia. And not over decades, but within just a few years. The terrifying part? Your brain may be starting that decline right now if your deep sleep is broken. What's really at risk? After 60, sleep becomes more fragile and more essential. Lose even 1 hour of deep sleep each night. And here's what happens, according to the Mayo Clinic and Stanford Sleep Research Center. Your blood pressure stays elevated the next day. Your brain fails to clear out beta amyloid, the sticky plaque linked to Alzheimer's. Your blood sugar spikes, increasing risk of type 2 diabetes. Your immune system drops by 30%, making you more likely to get infections, even pneumonia. And your muscle repair and fat burning grind to a halt. Now imagine that happening every single night. This isn't just about sleep. It's about how you age, how you think, how long you stay independent. Shocking tip: water may be waking you up. Here's something no one tells seniors. That glass of water before bed might be what's killing your deep sleep. Why? As we age, the bladder weakens, kidney function changes. The brain produces less vasopressin, the hormone that reduces urination at night. Which means even half a glass of water after 9 p.m. can trigger a full bladder at 2 a.m. Now, add this. After 60, your brain produces up to 80% less melatonin, according to the Sleep Foundation. So when you wake up in the middle of the night, you can't fall back asleep. Your body wants to, but your brain's chemicals don't cooperate. Replace that water with this sleep-enhancing drink. Let's flip the script. Instead of water, drink this sleep drink. Recipe 1. Magnesium plus cherry plus almond milk. 1/4 cup warm almond milk, 1/4 TSP tart cherry juice. Concentrate 1/8 TSP magnesium. Glycinate, powdered. Drink this 30 minutes before bed. Why it works? Tart cherry provides natural melatonin. Magnesium calms nerves and lowers cortisol. Almond milk has tryptophan and magnesium. Studies from the Journal of Medicinal Food and the NIH have shown this combo improves sleep quality by over 60% in seniors. 8 herbal teas that actually help you sleep without nighttime bathroom trips. If you're not into milk-based drinks, here's your cheat sheet. 1. Chamomile tea. Contains apigenin, which promotes sedation. Reduces anxiety, helps with faster sleep onset. Harvard Review. Helps reduce insomnia in older adults. 2. Tart cherry tea or juice. Natural source of melatonin, helps increase sleep duration by over an hour. Best when taken in small amounts, no bladder overload. Lemon balm tea, a gentle herb that calms the nervous system. Boosts GABA, the calm down neurotransmitter. Research from Phytomedicine shows improved sleep in people over 604. Valerian root tea. Increases GABA activity in the brain. Helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep. No drowsy hangover in the morning. 5. Passion flower tea. Enhances slow-wave sleep, the deepest kind. Especially good for people with racing thoughts or nighttime anxiety. 6. Ashwagandha tea. Adaptogenic herb that reduces cortisol. Helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle naturally. Particularly useful for stress-induced sleep issues. Lavender tea. Lowers heart rate, reduces anxiety. Smells soothing, but also has active compounds that affect the brain. Safe and effective for seniors, according to a National Sleep Foundation review. 8. Nutmeg plus warm almond milk. Nutmeg contains myristicin, a natural sedative. Combined with almond milk for a calcium plus magnesium-rich drink that supports muscle relaxation and sleep. Pro tip: all these drinks should be consumed 45 to 60 minutes before bed, in small quantities to avoid bladder disruptions. The doctor's secret no one shares. Most sleep advice for seniors is useless. Set a routine, use blackout curtains, cut blue light. Sure, those help. But here's the real issue. Your body doesn't have the chemical tools to fall or stay asleep. Let's break this down. Melatonin, down 80% after 60. GABA. Production drops as neurons age. Magnesium. Most seniors are deficient, especially if they're on blood pressure or diabetes. Meds cortisol. Often elevated due to inflammation, stress, or insulin resistance. And no one tells you this, because it's easier to hand you a sleeping pill and send you home. But pills don't fix root causes. They mask symptoms and create dependence. The #1 mistake that destroys sleep for seniors. Let's talk about sugar. That one biscuit before bed? That small banana? They cause a massive blood sugar spike, followed by a crash 3-4 hours later. That crash triggers adrenaline, the wake up and fix it hormone. And now you're wide awake. Racing heart, dry mouth, anxious thoughts. It wasn't insomnia. It was biology. A sugar crash at 2:15 a.m. What to do instead? Avoid sugary snacks 2 hours before sleep. Instead, eat 1 boiled egg, a spoon of almond butter, or a piece of cheese. Stable blood sugar, OS, stable sleep. Bonus, 60-second. Breathing that calms your brain. Before bed, try this. Box breathing, used by Navy SEALs and recommended by Dr. Andrew Huberman. Inhale through nose, 4 seconds, hold, 4 seconds, exhale through mouth, 4 seconds, hold, 4 seconds. Repeat 4 times. This reduces heart rate, calms your vagus nerve, and trains your nervous system to relax. In one Sleep Medicine Review's meta-analysis, this technique helped people fall asleep 48% faster on average. Hidden sleep killers. Most seniors overlook. Even if your habits are great, there may be other culprits. 1. Blue light nightlights. Blue light suppresses melatonin by up to 85%. Use amber or red lights in bathrooms and hallways. Low vitamin D, linked with insomnia, muscle pain, and mood swings. NIH recommends 800 to 1,000 IU daily for older adults. Dehydration. Being even mildly dehydrated worsens sleep. But drinking too late causes bladder wake-ups. Fix. Hydrate from morning to 4 p.m., then taper. Here's the truth. You're not just aging, your sleep is being stolen. And when sleep disappears, so does your independence. But you can fight back. Ditch the sugar. Skip that late glass of water. Choose a science-backed herbal drink. Breathe for 60 seconds. And feed your brain what it really needs: magnesium, melatonin, GABA, and calm. Because every night of deep sleep you restore is one more day your brain stays sharp, your heart stays strong, and your life stays yours.